Hector.
Oh, Coco.
Hector.
We ran out of time, Ego.
No, she can forget you.
I just want her to know that I love her.
Hector.
Go home.
I promise I want Coco forget you. Miguel, where have you been? I need to see Mama Coco. Miguel!
Open the door.
Mama Coco, can you hear me? It's Miguel.
There, this is his guitar, right?
He used to play to you? See, there he is, Papa. What are you doing with that poor woman?
What got into your mind, Miguel?
Miguel, apologize to your mama Coco.
Your Papa, what do you have this?
Remember me, though I have to say goodbye. Remember me, don't let it make you cry. For even if I'm far away, I hold you in my heart. I sing a secret song to you each night we are apart. Remember me, though I have to travel far. Remember me, each time you hear a sad guitar.